One of the most important stats you're going to want to track as an early stage recruitment founder is the number of hires or placements that you're making every month, because that data is going to give you insight into how your business is growing and the total amount of commission that you're going to earn. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Giig Hire's free recruitment CRM to track the hires and placements that you're making. So that, like I say, you can understand what the commission is that you're going to earn, and then you can break that down into yearly, quarterly, monthly, and weekly so that you can track your performance across a 12-month period.
So when you log into the platform, you'll see on the left-hand side here, we have deal activity. And this is the first place where you can track the activity of the hires you've made. You can actually see from this dashboard, you can track the hires, interviews and candidates submitted, but we're obviously going to focus on the orange line. So you can see there, February hired 3, March hired 2, May 0, June, so on. And then you can obviously break that down into quarter, month and week. And as you can see, in the quarter and the month and the week, there's no record because obviously there's no hires that have been made. So I can show you in a second how to change that. Over in this one here, you can see the commission activity. So as well as the number of hires that are being made, you can also track what the value of the commission was, and that's then going to add up a total. It's also going to give you your average sale price and your average percentage as well. And then over on the right hand side where you have performance for the year, you've got 8 hires made. So that's the third place that you can track it on this dashboard. So like I say, the actual hires here, commission here, and the total over there. Now to confirm a hire on the platform, if I go and look at the candidates that I've got in interview, say I look at my interview pipeline as an example, and I come down to this candidate that's been sent a job offer. If I move them into hired, the platform's going to ask me for the start date, so it will track that. It's going to ask me for the final salary, so I'll say 62,000 to make the number simple. And then it's calculated the deal value based on candidate salary and what the job was added at. Then if you click next, you have the ability to send confirmation emails if you want to. So you can send a confirmation email automatically to the candidate and client straight from the platform. And once you've done that, if you just click hire applicant, the system will then do its thing. And then in the hired table here now, we have the new hire from today. Sorry, the start date of the 28th, the hire is done today, and that's the deal value. So now if we go back to the original dashboard and hit this little refresh icon here, we should now have 1 hired in August, and the total commission has gone up as well. And you can see that commission's fallen into there. So it's then tracked that hire through for you. And if you then break it down by the quarter, it's there. This month, it's there. And this week, it's there. So that's exactly how you track your hires using the Giig Hire platform.